Chef Pete is here today, and today I'm going to grill some ground chicken breast I have here on this side, and on the other side of our grill I am going to make some veggies. So let's get started with our veggies first. Let's get them over here. I always start with the potatoes on the bottom so we get them nice and cooked and crusted up nice. So let's get our potatoes on here. I have some more smaller potatoes I'm gonna cut here. I have some bigger ones, smaller ones, and we'll get them right on our grill, just like this. Spread them out, just like this. And you can hear the grill is hot and nice and gonna make things delicious today. So a grill is a nice appliance, and it is something that if you've never gotten one and you only use the barbecue grill, you know how it works. But get one so you can use it year-round when it's, you know, snowing or raining, and you can use it in the house. So here we go. We're going to get some olive oil on there, and then I'm going to come right on top with some onion right on top of our potatoes here today. Let's get some onion on here, just like this. There we go. Okay, and I think some peppers are good. Peppers are good. Let's get some peppers on here. Okay, we get some peppers. And some more peppers. So veggies are good, and the grill makes a beautiful, delicious veggie when it is grilling. It brings out the flavor of all your vegetables here. And I think I want to get a little salt on here. And as you can see, it's really easy. If your family likes veggies, a little pepper here. A little basil leaves I think I'm going to put today. Some basil. A little basil. There we go. Okay. And some oregano. Okay. And some garlic powder. We're going to give it some garlic powder. Just like this. Okay. Now, let's get our, on this side of the grill, let's get our beautiful, I've got a couple of ground breast, chicken breast. I've got some ground chicken right here. And what we're going to do is I'm just going to get it some salt on it. I sprayed it with a little olive oil because chicken, as a rule, needs a little bit of grease to it because it's pretty dry. Okay, and this is chicken breast. All right, so then what I'm going to do is I've got my spatula here. We're just going to grab him and flip him right on there. Just flip him right on. Okay. And I'm going to make sure that we're going here. There we go. Alrighty, so he's going to start doing his thing. We'll get this out of the way. And then I think I want to get some more of this pepper on there because pepper is good. Okay, let's get some pepper, red pepper here. There we go. Alright. And the last thing I'm going to put is some squash. I've got some green squash and I've got some yellow squash here. So let's just move this out of the way. And then what I'm going to do is find my other knife. Here we go. And we're just going to cut these into some, because I'm going to put these on last. And then I'm going to get, as I usually do, I'm going to get my lids and I'm going to cover everything and steam everything to perfection. So I need to get this. We get our squash done. And you cook her as much as little as you figure that you need for your family. There we go. There we go. Okay, so now this is going to go last. Okay. All right. So over here we have these going. And I need one of my spatulas here. Let's just see how we're... Okay, we're going pretty good here. Gonna let these cook for a while. Alrighty, and then here we have our veggies. So you get them in a pile, and then what you gotta do is get yourself some of these grill pans. They're called grill lids. And what you do is you just move your stuff around and you get your grill pan lids on there, just like this. And what's going to happen is it's going to help to cook everything very nice and steam it as it goes. And when we come back, I'm going to show you how the burgers are going and how we're doing. Okay, so there we have it. Make a grilled meal. It's easy, low fat, get a lot of veggies in, and get your protein in. Okay, so this is Peter Carpizzos. We'll be back and show you how it's all coming along. Out.